everyone, I'm Shakan from Shakan Sweet Treats and Good Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to do black eyed peas. Let's get started. So in this pot here I have my black eyed peas, and how you want to begin doing your black eyed peas is you want to get about 1 pound if it's just for you, and if you have a small family then I would say 2 pounds, but if you're cooking for a group of people, let's say you got Thanksgiving or Christmas going on, then I would say you want to get about 5 pounds of black eyed peas. And in my black eyed peas I usually just put either smoked ham hocks or smoked turkey wings, or you can even do smoked turkey leg. Is really your preference, or you don't have to do any meat at all, excuse me. For my black eyed peas today I have smoked ham hocks in here, and what we do here is we will put our black eyed peas into a pot with some water, and we let them cook for me I usually let my peas cook on low for probably about 4 hours. I kind of just put them on and go about my day, and then I just check back on them, and when I come back they're done. And these have been cooking for about that time, and as you can see they're pretty much done. This is what they will look like when they're done. When you start out with your black eyed peas, you definitely want to clean them, pick through them just to make sure there's no rocks or any type of debris in your peas, right? And then you want to let them soak in cold water for about an hour, and they swell, and once they swell you want to put them into your pot of water with your meat, and then you can let them cook. And I would say about an hour before you're ready to turn them off, you want to season them with a little bit of salt. Again, the salt is to your preference, so once you sprinkle in a little salt, stir it, taste it, and then if that's not enough, add a little bit more. Don't go crazy, because the meat produces salt and it will season your peas for you, so you shouldn't need a lot, especially if you're using smoked ham hocks or smoked turkey. You don't need a lot of salt, so start off slow with the sprinkle of salt and then go from there, because you know you can always add but you can't take out. So that's pretty much how you do black eyed peas. Again, this is the finished product, but again, if you go back and listen how to begin, once you start, this will be how they will look. So happy eating, guys. I hope you have a sweet treat kind of day. Bye bye.